Welcome. If you've ever muted someone's stories on Instagram and now want to start seeing their updates again, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to unmute someone's stories on Instagram, updated for the latest version of the app. First, make sure you have your phone ready and the Instagram app installed. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on your home screen, use the search bar at the top or scroll through your feed to find the profile of the person whose stories you want to unmute. Tap on their profile to open it. Right under their bio, you'll see a button labeled Following. Tap on this button to open a menu of options. From the menu, select Mute. Here, you'll see toggles for both posts and stories. If the switch next to stories is turned on, that means their stories are currently muted. To unmute, simply toggle off the switch next to stories. That's it. Now, their stories will start appearing at the top of your feed again, just like before. If you want to double-check, you can refresh your feed or close and reopen the app. If the person has posted a story recently, you should see their profile picture highlighted in the stories bar at the top of your home screen. This method is perfect if you remember exactly whose stories you muted. If you ever want to mute or unmute someone again, just repeat these steps. Unmuting stories is a great way to reconnect and stay updated with friends, family, or your favorite creators. Now you won't miss out on any important moments or fun updates. Thanks for watching, and enjoy catching up on all those stories you've been missing.